Hello everyone, this is Alexey with fresh Power Semiconductors Weekly Market Update. First of all, I want to thank everyone for your positive and supportive feedback on my platform. I'm happy to see that my work is helpful and being appreciated by power electronics industry. Thank you for sharing your news with me and our community. Power Semiconductors Weekly is in continuous progress to provide you better experience and easy access to the latest power semiconductors industry news, events, and much more. Today, I would like to share with you my latest updates on the power semiconductors manufacturers landscape and some top market news in October. I also want to remind you that you can always have more market updates by subscribing to my monthly newsletter, which delivers you incredible pack of power semiconductors information right to your mailbox or to your LinkedIn every beginning of the month. By the way, this month I will be visiting several industry events, so it would be great to meet in person and have a chat. And now, let's check what is new in power semiconductors industry. The Power Semiconductors Forum, which Marketing Technique is organizing on November 22-23, is intended to provide insights in the field of power electronics. This year, the 7th Power Semiconductors Forum offers its speakers, exhibitors, and visitors the opportunity to meet and negotiate in person again. The first day of the forum will be dedicated to silicon and silicon carbide solutions, and the second day of the forum will cover the latest developments in silicon carbide and gallium nitride area. I'm honored to have been invited to this great power semiconductors event, so see you soon in Munich, and you can find the final program of the event at the event website. eCharge 2023 is the only European exhibition and conference exclusively dedicated to the entire industry and supply chain of EV charging technologies, infrastructure, and system solutions. This trade show is the first event in Europe which represents, within an innovative and specific industry vision, topics, contents, and excellences of a fast-growing market both nationally and internationally. eCharge 2023 showcases charging solutions and technologies, infrastructure and services, products and systems, and reflects the interaction between electric vehicles and a sustainable and environmentally friendly energy supply network. I will be visiting this event to meet some of the customers, so if you're interested to have a chat or a short meeting, feel free to let me know in advance. Just send me a quick note via LinkedIn. In my recent poll, I asked the industry community to share their feeling on how the situation in power semiconductors market will look like by 2027. About a year ago, I published my research on the global power semiconductors manufacturers landscape. In 2022, my database included over 150 companies who produce power devices, power MOSFETs, IGBTs, thyristors, diodes, and many other power devices. The geographical split looked like this. For Asia it was 57%, Europe 23%, North America almost 19%, and the rest of the world just a bit over 1%. Today my database counts over 170 companies and is growing. Right now the picture already looks different, and I'm happy to see that for the most part of my industry colleagues also expect the situation to change by 2027, and it certainly will. Reasons for that we can expect more mergers and acquisitions within the industry. Supply chain will be changing in many ways. Tier 1 and IMs are already changing their strategies. And many power semiconductor startups that were launched during the past 2-3 years will not survive. Market competition right now is very tough and getting tougher every year. We can just recall PCIM Europe this year, and the next year event will prove the trend. More and more companies from power semiconductors industry appearing every month. So I will keep an eye on how this will go, and I will be providing updates from time to time. onsemi announced the completed expansion of its state-of-the-art silicon carbide fabrication facility in South Korea. At full capacity, this fab will be able to manufacture more than 1,200,000 silicon carbide wafers per year. To support the ramp in silicon carbide manufacturing capacity, onsemi plans to hire up to 1,000 local employees over the next 3 years to fill the mostly highly technical positions, a more than 40% increase over the present workforce of about 2,300 people. Samsung Electronics hosted Samsung Foundry Forum Europe 2023 and unveiled its advanced and wide-ranging automotive process solutions, from the most advanced 2nm process to the 8-inch legacy process. Samsung Electronics is also bolstering its readiness to serve customer needs by expanding its 8-inch BCD bipolar CMOS-DMOS process portfolio. The BCD process combines the strength of 3 different process technologies, bipolar, CMOS, and DMOS, on one chip and is most commonly used in the production of power semiconductors. Infineon Technologies announced the closing of the acquisition of GaN Systems. Infineon now has a total of 450 gallium nitride experts and more than 350 gallium nitride patent families, which expands the company's leading position in power semiconductors and considerably speeds up time to market. Mitsubishi Electric and Denso have agreed with Coherent to invest $500 million each in a new silicon carbide business to be carved out from Coherent, aiming to expand its silicon carbide power device business by strengthening vertical collaboration with the American company. Thank you all for your time today. You can always reach me on LinkedIn. There you can always track all the latest power semiconductors market news. I wish you a great November and see you next month.